Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 5 September 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Misra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. First of all, happy Teachers Day to all of you. Today is the birth anniversary of our former President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was born in 5 September 1888 and passed away in 17 April 1975. On this birth anniversary, we observe the Teachers' Day. So, happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous day questions. Our first question was, Government of India banned how many mobile apps recently? 100, 118, 125, 130. The correct answer here is 118. Option B is correct here. Recently, Government of India has banned 118 mobile apps, including the very famous mobile gaming app PUBG. Okay. Our second question was, who is the author of the book The Big Thoughts of Little Love? Karan Johar, N. Yadav, Chetan Bhagat. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Karan Johar. Option A is correct here. The Bollywood filmmaker Karan Johar has authored a book titled The Big Thoughts of Little Love. Okay, and the biography of the Karan Johar is An Unsuitable Boy. It was published in 2017. And the biography of the Karan Johar is An Unsuitable Boy. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is 11th edition of exercise Indra Navy is started in Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Bay of Bengal. Option A is correct here. Indian Navy and the Russian Navy has commenced the 11th edition of a biennial bilateral maritime exercise Indra Navy in Bay of Bengal recently now. And remember that the Indra Navy exercise is done between Russia and India, okay, Russian and Indian Navy, and it is recently going on in Bay of Bengal. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who chaired the BRICS Cultural Minister meeting? Brazil, India, Russia, China. The correct answer here is Russia. Option C is correct here. Fifth BRICS Cultural Minister meeting was held under the chairpersonship of Russian Federation. Okay, Russia chaired the BRICS Cultural Minister meeting. BRICS is in news. How many countries are in BRICS? 5 countries are in BRICS. Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Okay, and our Union Minister of the State Prahalad Singh Patel represented India in this meeting. Prahalad Singh Patel represented India in this meeting. Russia is in news. The capital of Russia is Moscow. Russian ruble is the currency of Russia and Vladimir Putin is the president of Russia. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Raj Srivastava appointed as India's next ambassador to which country? Japan, Brazil, Russia. Option D, Republic of Croatia. The correct answer here is Republic of Croatia. Rajkumar Srivastav has appointed as the next ambassador of India to the Republic of Croatia, and he is a 1997 batch IFS officer. Okay, you can see the image of Raj Srivastav here. Okay, and the capital of Republic of Croatia is Zagreb. Zagreb is the capital here. A Croatian kuna is the currency of Republic of Croatia, and Zoran Milanovic is the president here. Zoran Milanovic is the president of Republic of Croatia. Okay, next question. Which bank has launched a virtual property exhibition named Home Utsav? HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, PNB, SBI. The correct answer here is ICICI Bank. Option B is correct here. ICICI Bank has launched a virtual property exhibition under Home Utsav. Okay, the name, remember the name is Home Utsav. Okay, ICICI Bank is in news. The headquarter of the bank is situated in Mumbai, and Sandeep Bakshi is the MD and CEO of ICICI Bank. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. Who won the 48th annual World Open Online Chess Tournament? P. Inian, Vishwanath Anand, Maithili Kumari. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is P. Inian. Option A is correct here. P. Inian has won the 48th annual World Open Chess Online Tournament. Okay. About 120 players from the 16 countries participate in this online tournament. From the 16 countries, 120 players participate in this online tournament, and P. Indian won the 48th annual World Open Online Chess Tournament. Okay, you can see the image of the P. Indian also here. Next question. Question number 6. Who chaired the G20 Foreign Minister Extraordinary Meeting held in virtual mode? India, France, Saudi Arabia. Option D, Japan. Guess what is the correct answer here? The correct answer here is option C, Saudi Arabia. Option C is correct here. Saudi Arabia chaired the G20 Foreign Minister Extraordinary Meeting. Okay, and our External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar represented from India. Okay, S. Jaishankar represented from India, and Saudi Arabia chaired the G20 Foreign Minister Extraordinary Meeting. Okay, next question. Murali Ramakrishnanan became new MD and CEO of which bank? It is Ramakrishnanan. Okay, Bank of Baroda, South India Bank, ICICI Bank, UGB. The correct answer here is South India Bank. Option B is correct here. Murali Ramakrishnanan becomes new MD and CEO of South India Bank. You can see the image of Murali Ramakrishnanan here. The headquarters of the South India Bank is situated in Kerala. Okay, and the tagline of South India Bank is Experience Next Generation Banking. Experience Next Generation Banking is the tagline of South India Bank. Okay, next question. Question number 8. Former cricketer David Capel passed away. He belongs to which country? England, Australia, Sri Lanka. Option is South Africa. The correct answer here is England. Option A is correct here. You can see the image of the former, the very famous legend cricketer David Capel here. He belongs to England. Former England all-rounder cricketer David Capel recently passed away. Okay. Here is the image of David Capel here. Question number 9. Who organized the National Tribal Research Conclave? CCI, IIPA, FATA, ACC. The correct answer here is IIPA. Option B is correct here. Indian Institute of Public Administration. IIPA stands for Indian Institute of Public Administration. IIPA organized the National Tribal Research Conclave inauguration session, and it is addressed by Arjun Munda, Union Tribal Minister Arjun Munda. It is addressed by, okay, National Tribal Research Conclave. You can see the image of Arjun Munda here. Next question. Question number 10. A book titled Let Us Dream is written by whom? Pope Francis, Austin Avery, Justin Leo. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Pope Francis. Option A is correct here. Pope Francis is set to release a book named Let Us Dream in December 2020, and it is going to be released in December 2020. The biographer is Austin Avery. But it's written by Pope Francis. The book is about how a crisis can teach an individual to deal a problem. Okay, the book deals with how a crisis can teach an individual to deal a problem. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So this is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, what is the rank of India in Global Innovation Index 2020? Our second question is, which state has appointed India's first ever woman ambulance driver? Okay, please try to answer more and more in comment section. Thereby a regular practice is done by you. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And those who first visit educational link, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. And please join the Twitter campaign also today. Today is the last day of the Twitter campaign. The speak up for SSC railway students and speak up for teachers. So for the unemployment, a Twitter campaign is going on. So join on the Twitter campaign on today also. Thank you. Have a great day.